Yes, ma'am.
Well, you're both coming across very clearly. Excellent. Today's date is December 15th, 2021. In Floyd County, Texas, I call cause number 11184 in the interest of Mackenzie and Aaron Bernal. What says the state?
State is present and ready, Your Honor.
Also present is by telephone is Erica McRae. Are you ready to proceed, Ms. McRae?
Yes, ma'am.
Present also by telephone or by audio is Marcos Bernal. Are you ready, Mr. Bernal?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Ms. Crump is going to announce what you agreed to. So listen very carefully, and I'll ask one or two questions at the end. Go ahead, Crump.
Okay. Your Honor, we would move to admit the acknowledgement of paternity. I believe it was attached to the pleading. It's
All
on
right.
Mackenzie.
Admitted as states number 1.
And the parties have reached an agreement, Your Honor. Marcos Bernal agrees that he is the father of Aaron Bernal. We discussed possible DNA testing. He did not feel that he needed that. So the parent-child relationship is established between them by agreement, and he is obligated to support. The parties are joint managing conservators of the children. Visitation is by mutual agreement, and failing mutual agreement, standard possession order will be in the pleading, in the order. Ms. McRae has the right to determine residence without geographical restriction. The parties have agreed to monthly child support of $433. That is a deviation from guideline support, but Mr. Bernal also pays other things when needed. So the parties have agreed to that amount, and they've been doing that amount $100 a week for a long time. There's no retroactive support. Ms. McRae will keep the children on governmental medical assistance program, and Mr. Bernal has agreed to pay $48 per month toward that as cash medical support. There's, like I said, there's no retroactive support due, and that is it, Your Honor.
All right. And I'm going to waive court costs since you all have worked so hard to reach this agreement. Ms. McRae, is that in fact the agreement you're making today?
Yes, ma'am.
And is it in the best interest of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Bernal, first of
Yes,
all,
ma'am.
ask you, sir, do you understand that if you don't have DNA testing now, you may never get it again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it what Ms. Crump announced? Is that what you're agreeing to today?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask you, how are you paid, sir? Are you paid weekly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Understand that Ms. Crump will prepare an order and send it to your employer, and they will automatically start paying the 100 or whatever it comes out to be, taking it out of your paycheck. So if you see it coming out of your paycheck, then stop paying it directly, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And then it goes through San Antonio to the disbursement unit, and they keep an official record of your payments. And it should, Ms. McRae, it should only have about a 2-day delay in getting to you. So it should on a regular basis, even though it's coming out of his paycheck automatically, okay? And
Yes,
Mr. Bernal, let me ask you, is this agreement in the best interest of your children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Then I'm approving the agreement. I'm waiving court costs. Ms. Crump is going to prepare that order for my signature, and I'm going to sign it. You should get a copy either by email or regular mail within about 2 weeks. If you don't get one, call the Lubbock Rural Office and remind them to send you one. The other that you have is you can request a new hearing within the next 3 business days. If anybody does that, you get a new hearing in front of Judge Smith and he would start over and make his own decision. But if nobody does that, this order starts to become final and you can watch for your new court order. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to
Yes,
you
ma'am.
all and to your family. Thank you so much for your participation today.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. You can hang up, both of you, Mr. Bernal and Ms. McCrae.
Thank y'all.
Okay.
Well,
That,
that's the first time I've ever had to do that by phone.
and I have no idea why it didn't work
I don't either.
because I checked the information and it was accurate. And Jason got in, so you had the
Yeah.
accurate information.
Yeah,
Anyway.
it was just something glitch or
It was
something.
just being particular. Go back to the cases that didn't have people on them.
Okay.
Let's go back to Delgado, the first one I show for this morning.
Okay.
You want to set that for, we'll continue that. You want to go to January or February?
I guess she was here on the other case, but we didn't really handle her on this one.
I don't believe, oh, yes, she was.
We didn't think about that.
No, she didn't appear. It was we defaulted her.
Oh, she did not appear? Okay.
No,
Okay. I need to take that off then. Okay.
he appeared.
Luna was a default. Okay. So he came in.
Yes.
Okay. How about Nunez? That was the same way.
On Nunez, we have Carlos was here and we did a default, got a final order on that. She's in jail, so we modified his support to 0.
Okay. That's what happened.
And
Yeah,
then
let's
the other case that Jason did, is that it? Yes, he just did those 2 cases.
yes.
Okay, let me look up, what's our January date? It's normally the second, is it second Tuesday, I think? Or is it third? Let me look at.
I'm showing the next the next Floyd County on January 18th.
Okay, want to move that one to the 18th on Delgado? Okay. And on Vela, we have not served her.
Okay. Correct.
But we can,
Well,
go ahead.
right, exactly. He didn't show either though, right?
Right.
Want to move that to January 18th as well?
Yes, please. Okay. And the other one is Velasquez. He just got served within the last month or so. So let's try that as well on January 18th.
Which one?
Velasquez.
Not showing that one.
Okay, let me give you an AG number.
Okay.
00141 00333.
Texas timed me out.
That wasn't nice.
Oh. I just wish they'd last at least half a morning or something,
Yes.
or in court. our VCF, our file management system, it doesn't even last as long as Texas does. It's always getting timed out of that.
Hmm.
0, 1, 4, 0, 3, 3. Yes. What if I just got to put that on there?
You need it again?
No, I've found them. Interesting. When an order setting hearing was sent out to them. So I need to get them on the January 18th. Okay.
Okay.
Well, I appreciate it. I'm sorry for the glitch in the computer.
Well, I'm glad you were able to work around it. I don't know
Yeah.
what that situation, where it came from. Thank
I
you.
don't know. I tried like 3 or 4 times.
Well, I just now looked at the text, or that you sent me. Yes. All right. Thank you so much. You have a Merry Christmas, okay?
You too, Judge Sundstrom. I appreciate it.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.